Welcome to the Learning Box by Punton Kids. What happened? Why are you looking? What happened? Why are you looking here? Oh, that's a fly. Oh my God. It's dirty. Come on, let's sing for it. Shoo, fly, shoo, don't bother me. Shoo, fly, shoo, don't bother me. They're so dirty, right? You know why? Because they love to eat. What is this? Garbage. See? They love to eat garbage. They eat all dirty things. They sit on animals which are dead, like rats and snakes and anything that you leave open. They will even go to the bathroom and eat things from there. That is why you should never let a fly come to your food, because flies have sticky hair on their legs and on their mouth, and all the dirt which they carry from dustbins and from bathrooms, when they come and they sit on our food, that dirt comes on our food. That's why we should make it a point that flies stay away from us, and especially our food. Yes? So this is about their eating habits. And what do you think flies are? Because they fly, do you think they are birds? Are they birds? No. Let's see what they are by knowing their body parts. So, let's see their body parts. What do they have? Yeah, they have a head and a thorax and an abdomen. What do they have? Head, thorax and abdomen. Come on, think. Which are the creatures whose bodies are divided in 3 parts? I think you're getting it. Let's count the legs. I'm sure you'll get it then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Now I'm sure you all will know. The body is divided into 3 parts and they have 6 legs. What are these? Excellent job. They are insects. But there is a lovely fact which I would like to share with you all. All insects also have 4 wings. But the fly has just 2 wings. A fly is the only insect that has 2 wings and not 4. Okay? So keep this in mind. I'm going to ask you all in the quiz. Alright? And what else? Oh my God, look at the eyes. They are so big. Most of the head is covered with the eyes. Because a fly has compound eyes. Okay, that means a fly can see in the front, can look at the right, can look at the left, and can also see what is behind them. Can you all see what's behind you? No. What do we have to do if we want to see what's behind? We have to turn our head. But a fly does not need to turn its head. Even when it's looking in the front, it can look here, behind, here, everywhere. And that is the reason why we find it very difficult to catch a fly. Now, let's see how does a baby fly come out from a mommy's tummy. Yes? So, a big mommy fly lays a lot of eggs. And see, the eggs look exactly like this, like rice. See? The eggs look exactly like rice, the rice that we eat. This is how a fly's eggs look. And when these eggs hatch, see what comes out? A baby fly. And then the fly grows up to become an adult fly. Yes? And then they sit on our food. So we must keep them away. Please don't forget that. Always shoo them away, because flies spread a lot of diseases. Okay? So we have to remember to keep them away. So I hope you have learned a lot about flies today, and are going to remember what I have said. Until then, please take care and like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you.